Hello, Stephen Kuhn here with my Week 3 Project Portfolio 3 checkup video. So, after Hurricane Irma, kind of a mad catch-up to go from finished prototype demo, seen here, to something actual and coded. And so far this is what I'm working with. Just a single web page with sort of a collection of all the functionality that I'm working towards. So right now what I have is I have just a generic character card with all of the most important information from a character sheet. The submit and reset buttons don't do anything beyond their default features. The reset will wipe everything in the form, but other than that, I'll get into the submit button in a second, but as you can see, after the character card, I also have my dice roller, which was mentioned in the project synopsis. If I go to my experience thing here, the dice roller is its own whole page, and the buttons were supposed to be the dice. So, something I'm working towards, but for right now, I've got it functioning and doing what it needs to do, generating different random numbers for different sided dice. So far in the past couple of days, I've mostly been working in JavaScript, and just today I kind of backpedaled really hard and realized that a lot of the code I wanted to do can be done through HTML. So I have a script here that runs my die roller, and then beyond that I just have this huge form sheet for the character card. And my JavaScript's gotten kind of light here. I have all of my character attributes, at least for the first field set over here, all variabled out, but I've been trying to learn how to transition my HTML information, say character name, player name, etc., my inputs from my HTML file over to my JavaScript. And I've found a couple things across the web, namely get elements by name and ID and something or other, and I haven't had any luck with that just yet. But what I'm hoping is that I'll be able to have all of this information when you hit the submit button, shoot over to here, and then inside of my save character function in my JavaScript function, all of the local variables here should be set to the input values on the HTML file. That's really the biggest thing holding me back, unfortunately, is trying to get those values across. But once I can figure that out, I will have the other 10 or so variables put in, and I'll start working towards splitting these two ideas apart, the dice page and the character page, and I'll see if I can make one as a display thing, a show me my character, and then I'll give it an edit button so you can get back here. As you can see, red text, there's some padding. I did just a little bit with my CSS style sheets, but Um, Again, a lot of the focus has been on functionality and trying to get this thing off the ground. Yeah, pretty sure that's all. Um, like I said, biggest thing holding me back is currently the submit button not doing what I want. It's also spitting the variable names up top here, which I read that in a form, these boxes here, you can declare an action and then off of that a method, and there's either get and post keeps it from displaying all the variables, but not sure if I need to use that or not. That's all. Thanks for listening.